First video of the year, since it's the first time I made it to the final this year. Only about 10 bikes in the motorcycle class tonight. I ended up number 6 qualifier, and that put me up against the number 1 qualifier, who was Sean. So round 1, I go up against Sean. See my wind light come on, so I know that Sean must have red lighted. He didn't actually run the run out at top speed since he saw that he had red lighted. Anyway, my dial of 1315 was too low apparently, 1333. Second round though, I get a bye run, so this is good for a test run. Gives me a 1327 on my 1315 dial. Had a good reaction time of 047. Next round I'm up against Eric, and since I haven't been running that 1315, I dial it up to 1325. Eric's on a faster bike. He's got a dial of 12. Off the throttle a little at the end, but I think it was so late I don't think it really made a lot of difference. But it was a double breakout. He broke out more, so I get the win, and that puts me into the final against who else? Doug. So I'm dialing 1315 again. Given the wind conditions, I'm a little surprised that Doug dialed a 13 flat, but at any rate, we both think the wind is down a little. Get the launch I needed, and I can see it's going to be tough catching up to Doug. I am creeping up on him, but it doesn't look like it's going to be enough to get by. And sure enough, he takes the win at the end. So I gave it away on reaction time. That was my worst reaction time of the night, 185, and he had an 015, which is excellent. I was close to my dial, which made the finish look kind of close, but it's actually a breakout, so I lost in 2 ways.